Are you struggling with the display quality on your Onn TV? Learning how to fix resolution on Onn TV can enhance your viewing experience and bring your favorite shows and movies to life with stunning clarity. Spending time watching pixelated images can be frustrating, especially when you know your TV is capable of so much more. In this guide, we'll walk you through the steps to adjust and optimize the resolution on your Onn TV, ensuring that you get the crisp visual experience you're longing for. Step 1. Check your source resolution. Before diving into the TV setting, first check the resolution of your video source. Many times the issue might lie with the device connected to your TV, such as a cable box, streaming device, or gaming console. Ensure that these devices are set to output the highest resolution compatible with your TV, preferably 1080p or 4K for ultra-high definition models. You can usually find this option in the settings menu of your connected device. Step 2. Access the TV menu. Grab your Onn TV remote and press the menu button to bring up the main settings menu. Navigate to the settings or options section, then select display or picture settings. Each Onn model might have slightly varying menu options, so take a moment to acquaint yourself with your TV's interface. Step 3. Choose the right picture mode. Once you're in the display settings, you'll come across different picture modes like standard, dynamic, movie, and game. These modes automatically adjust various aspects of your TV's display, including the resolution. Experiment with these modes to determine which provides the best clarity and detail for the content you're viewing. Typically, standard mode offers a balanced approach, while dynamic may enhance brightness and contrast for a more vivid image. Step 4. Manually adjust resolution settings. If switching picture modes does not resolve the issue, manually adjust the resolution settings. Within the display settings, look for an option labeled Resolution, Aspect Ratio, or Picture Size. Here, select the resolution that best matches your TV's maximum capabilities, such as 1920 by 1080 for Full HD or 3840 by 2160 for 4K models. Also, check for the aspect ratio setting and set it to Auto or 16:9, which is typically the optimal choice for modern content. Step 5. Update TV firmware. Outdated firmware could prevent your Onn TV from displaying content correctly. Go back to the main settings menu and find the System or Software Update option. Follow the on-screen prompts to ensure your TV is running the latest firmware version. Manufacturers often provide updates that enhance compatibility and performance, potentially fixing any resolution issues. Fixing resolution issues on your Onn TV can significantly enhance your viewing experience. By ensuring your source device is outputting the right resolution, exploring different picture modes, and adjusting settings manually, you can fine-tune your TV to display stunning visuals. Regularly updating your TV's firmware also helps maintain optimal performance. Armed with this guide on how to fix resolution on Onn TV, you can enjoy your favorite shows and movies in the best possible quality. So grab your remote, make these adjustments, and enjoy the sharper, clearer picture that your Onn TV is capable of delivering.